Hi, beautiful.
Hi, beautiful.
How you doing, beautiful?
You're like really pretty.
Oh, so you agree? Well, I agree too. You're beautiful. We're gonna learn some stuff about hair.
I think my content really resonates with my viewers because it makes them feel like they're my best friend. I like to film it as if I'm talking to one person, hence why I say hi beautiful at the beginning of every single video. I want to make a one-on-one connection with each person. I think if they see somebody like me being truly myself, it'll inspire them to be truly themselves too. I'm Brad Mondo. I am a hairdresser, founder and CEO of my own brand, X Mondo, and a YouTuber. The style of my content is educational,
Today, I'll be showing you how to execute 3 different blow dries.
comical,
I see you. Ooh, you looking cute.
I want to bring hair education to the average consumer and teach them how to do things like cut their own hair or color it. I learned throughout the whole time of me filming these videos that I don't mind when people do their own hair. It's not always about them going to a professional. It's about them having the tools to do it right by themselves if they want to do that. So I grew up in a small town called Franklin, Massachusetts, and I worked at my dad's salon. He's also a hairdresser. I was like maybe 13 when I started kind of being an assistant there, and I worked there until I was 18, but my goal was always to live in New York City. I had just turned 19. I moved to the city with my hair license and started working in several different salons, trying to find like what type of salon I wanted to be in. Was it a big one, a small one? I, at the time, was working as a freelance hairdresser when it all kind of happened.
Ooh, this one looks really good.
I discovered YouTube probably when I was 14, 15. Right when it started having a lot of different faces on it and different people vlogging, I became so invested in all their lives. Because of that early passion that I had for watching other people, I wanted to be a part of it, and I started trying to make it, and nothing ever went anywhere. I always loved these hair ruining videos on YouTube, and so I think it was just kind of on my YouTube feed at the time, and I saw it and I was like, people have to see this more. Everything else I had filmed for hours and edited for hours, and this was kind of just like completely raw.
Oh no!
And that reaction video ends up getting like 100,000 views overnight. Everything from that day like changed my life, and I'm just so thankful that it ended up working out.
Hey guys.
Hi.
Welcome. Oh my god, you all look fabulous. As usual.
My creative process for making my videos, it all begins with my assistant Emma and I sitting down and kind of having a pre-production meeting,
Wow,
I can't
these are
wait.
gorgeous. What do you think, Sai?
figuring out what new haircuts or hair colors or hairstyles are currently happening and kind of going from there. I expanded onto TikTok. I didn't know it was going to become my most popular platform of all. It started by me, again, posting a reaction video. And everything kind of fell into place with that one too. I also think I was an early adapter to that platform, and I know that I shouldn't just be a one-hit wonder on one platform. So I definitely work hard at diversifying my content. And with TikTok, it's kind of just more chill, and I'm just having fun with it and just trying to be myself more. I started my brand X Mondo Hair in 2019, but I began brainstorming for the concepts of it when I was probably 17 years old. I wanted a brand that felt more like who I was. All I could see was like white women with beautiful hair on these ads, and I wanted to see diversity and people that are more like me and cool and punky and like didn't give a... As much as I liked the products I was using, I wasn't totally passionate about them, and I wanted to be so confident in whatever people are bringing home that I recommended. They're gonna get the best style possible, and they're gonna love these products, and it's gonna change their life.
I'm obsessed.
I really like it.
It looks like you've always had this
I
color.
know.
I get so many messages saying thank you, that I changed their life or made them more confident in themselves. So if I can inspire one person out there to accomplish their dreams and live their most extra life, making them feel like they're a part of something, they fit in and can wear whatever they want, be whoever they want, have their hair however they want, I think that is a huge accomplishment of mine, and that is what makes me excited to go to work every day and keep doing what I do.